Versatile. Use this plastic shower curtain alone or with a fabric shower curtain to keep water from splashing onto your bathroom floor. Transparent upper panel lets additional light into your shower for pleasant brightness. Great for master bathroom, guest bathroom, and kids bathroom. Reinforced grommets. Grommets are suitable for S-hooks, shower rings, and other shower curtain hooks for easy hanging. Stability. Magnets at the bottom hem provide weight and stability to ensure the liner stays in place. Easy care. Simply wipe with mild soap and water for a quick and easy clean. Ideal size. Ideal 72 by 72 size suits long bathtubs and showers, on rounded or straight curtain rods. Upgrade your bathroom with the iDesign Hitchcock EVA shower curtain liner. The opaque EVA material is mold and mildew resistant, water repellent, odorless for your convenience. With a clear upper panel, additional light will be let into your shower for bright ambiance. The curtain even has magnets at the bottom hem to provide weight and stability and keep the liner in place. Use alone or with a fabric shower curtain to keep water from splashing onto your bathroom floor. When it's time to refresh, simply wipe with water and mild soap to clean. The ideal 72 by 72 size fits long showers and bathtubs. With iDesign by InterDesign, you can #live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. The curtain looks clean and is made well. The grommet connections are nice. The curtain does not have, but does not need weights at the bottom. It is light and flexible so it just sticks to the tub when you're using it. I have it hanging from a curved rod that is 60 long, and it is the perfect width. I have been using it for a couple weeks and there is no smell. I don't remember if there was one when I opened it. But if there was, it's gone. The clear portion does seem a bit low. I am 57 and it just barely covers me up. If you're any taller and female, you may have issues in a shared bathroom. The white portion surprisingly does obscure the body. You really can't see anything. No mold or mildew yet, smiley face.